Yora Talofa, Ni hao and Namaste. You are here with the Ramil for a program called Tewa Fanu. Tewa Fanu is a program with a gambling harm awareness information with some musical fun. So I'm back here again. Happy New Year to you all because I couldn't be here due to the New Year and Christmas. So I'm back now and wish you all the best and you have a lovely year. And due to the COVID-19, we all New Zealanders, we all Kiwi were, having even all over the world, people are suffering due to this pandemic. So hopefully, the new year will have some solution and will be, good stand and will enjoy your life in 2021. Wish you happy new year to you all. So, beginning of the year, I'll start with the gambling again because I'm a public health worker for gambling harm support, which is Oasis. And it's based on 41 Perry Street, Masterton. And if you have problem gambling, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can always contact us through 0800 number or through our Facebook page, the Salvation Army Oasis. So gambling addiction is a hidden addiction, and it's really bad in our Wairarapa region. So please, if you have any problem, before it's get late, do not hesitate to contact us. So what is gambling? So let's start with the beginning with the gambling harm awareness information. So gambling is an entertainment that is very common in New Zealand. 90% of us gamble, including the lotto. Gambling occurs when we risk up something, usually money, on an uncertain outcome. So this is what gambling is. So we count even the lotto into the gambling. So if you have problem of buying too much lotto also, just let us know. We are there to support in every angle. And it's not about only about the people who gambles, it's about the people who are affected due to gambling. One person in your family who gamble can affect other 7 members of your family. So it's not only about the family member, it's not about only to the gamblers, it's also we provide the service to the people who are affected as well. And the service is free of service. So you can contact us in any time. In my number, in my mobile, it's open 24 hours, or you can contact through our Facebook page or in our office, which is based in 41 Perry Street, Masterton. I'm here to help you, to support your gambling problem, and then to help you to get rid from it. So, before we go further ahead, I like to put a lovely song on this new year on our first episode. Let's go with Lady Gaga. You love this song. I'm sure you guys will love this song, and I'll be back to you soon. Please enjoy this song.
Face
Kia ora, talofa, ni hao, and namaste. You are here with the Ramil for a program called Tewa Fano. Tewa Fano is a program for gambling harm, awareness, information with some musical fun. So today we are here in this new year. This is first episode. So let's start with the gambling harm awareness information. So I just mentioned that what is gambling and how common is it in New Zealand. So 90% of us gamble in New Zealand, including the lotto. And let's go to the types of gambling addiction. Actually, there are three main types of gambling addiction. So people might be thinking in different way what are the types of gambling or how people gambles. So out of the three, one of them is problem gambling. So in problem gambling, what is happening is this refers to gambling when it starts to interfere with a person's life. It's a problem because they think they have some control over it, but in reality they don't. So in problem gambling, what is happening basically is people goes and gambles and they think that it's under their control, but actually in reality it's not under their control. So that's why it's called problem gambling. And another one is compulsive gambling. So the people under compulsive gambling, what they do? So actually it refers to gambling when the person feels like they have no control at all. They are at the mercy of their addiction and are unable to help themselves. So in compulsive gambling, they can't help themselves. And person will started feeling that they have no control over the gambling, what they are doing. And another one is binge gambling. In binge gambling, this refers to someone who is in control of their gambling behavior in normal day-to-day life. But when they find themselves in a situation where they are able to gamble on a special occasion, they lose control. So actually in binge gambling, what is happening is, yes, they won't go daily, to gamble daily basis. They are not attracted on daily basis. But when they go to venue or when they started playing pokies, they can't control. They keep on spending money. So these are the types of gambling: problem gambling, compulsive gambling, and binge gambling. So problem gambling is very risky. And then binge gambling, which is also one of the common gambling problem. And compulsive gambling is when person comes into the state where they can't control on gambling addiction. So these are the basically different types of gambling, and there are few phases of gambling. These are the types of gambling. I will talk about some phases of the gambling also. How person starts from losing phase or winning phase and then get addicted to the gambling. So we'll come to it, and then before that, let's put a nice song in this first episode of the new year 2021. So let me put a nice song for you. Let's start with this song. Sorry. The name of the song is Aeroplane. Please enjoy this song. I'll come to you soon. Kia ora, talofa, nihai. Namaste again. Welcome back, everyone. So, this is a program called Te Whanau. Te Whanau is a program consists of gambling awareness information as well as some musical fun. So, you are here with Ramil for this program called Te Whanau, and I'm providing gambling harm awareness information every fortnightly and repeated version every Friday from 9:30 to 10. Please, if you have any problem gambling, please do not hesitate to contact us before it's get late. So I was just talking about the gambling, what is gambling, and then what are the types of gambling, and how people comes into the phases of gambling and ultimately into pathological gambling. So let's talk about it little bit. So people doesn't gamble first, and some people just go with friends, family for social gambling. And when they go for social gambling, and they become addicted to serious gambling, and that will cause ultimately will cause the prolonged gambling, and then the outcome will be the pathological gambling. So this will be the problem person who get addicted to gambling. And in another phase, when person goes not only social gambling, person also go there to gamble, and person wins. When him first time winning $20, $50, $60, and that winning phase will make person to play more. And when person play more on or put more money on gambling, then some stage ultimately that person will lose the money. And when that person will lose the money, then that person will think about getting back the money by gambling again, which is also called desperation phase. And from the desperation phase, ultimately person will end it up in pathological gambling. So in one side social gambling, you start with the social interacting with the other people, to be involved in the socially, and then to go with friends, family, and just to gamble for a fun, but you ended up on having addiction to the gamble. In same aspect, when you just go for a fun to gamble, and then you win the money. After you win the money, you started putting more money, and then you lose the money at some stage. And then when you lose the money, you feel like I'll get that money back, and then you will be so desperate to get that money back and putting more money into gambling, which will lead you ultimately into the pathological gambling. So please do not try to do that. It's very risky and dangerous. Gambling is a hidden addiction which can ruin you from different aspects. So yes, these are the types of gambling and phases of gambling. How we start from social gambling, going socially with friends and family, starting putting $2, $3 in the pokies machine, and ended up having addiction. So this is the beginning. So you always need to be careful about this sign and symptoms. I'm going to talk about sign and symptoms also soon. But before that, let me put one nice song for you guys, and please enjoy this song. I'll be back again with sign and symptoms soon.
Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? You've been out riding fences for so long now. Oh, you're a hard one, but I know that you got your reasons. These things that are pleasing you can hurt you somehow. Don't you draw the queen of diamonds, boy. She'll beat you if she's able. You know the queen of hearts is always your best bet. Now it seems to me some fine things have been laid upon your table, but you only want the ones that you can't get. Desperado, oh, you ain't getting no younger. Your pain and your hunger, they're driving you home. And freedom, oh freedom, well that's just some people talking. Your prison is walking through this world all alone. Don't your feet get cold in the wintertime? The sky won't snow and the sun won't shine. It's hard to tell the night time from the day. You're losing all your highs and lows. Ain't it funny how the feeling goes away? Desperado, why don't you come to your senses? Come down from your fences. Open the gate. It may be raining, but there's a rainbow above you. You better let somebody love you. Let somebody love you. Better let somebody love you before it's too
Kia ora, talofa, ni hao, and namaste again. You are here with Ramil for a program called Te Wa Whanau. Te Wa Whanau is a program regarding gambling harm awareness information with some musical fun. So if you have gambling problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. You can contact us through 0800 number or through our Facebook page or in at our office in Masterton. We are Salvation Army, Oasis, 41 Perry Street, Masterton, inside the community house. So I was talking about gambling. So what are the effects of gambling? So legally what will be the effect that people can get? So legal, they can have problem of bankruptcy, loan sharks, theft, imprisonment. So these are the legal effect of the gambling. And emotional, people can get stress, anxiety, anger, depression, and suicide. It's not only to the gamblers. The effects might goes to other family members due to the gamblers as well. And in relation wise, breakdown in relationship, mistrust, and neglecting family. So this is what happening when people get problem gambling. And financial wise, people get debts, lots of assets, and financial strain. So loss of assets will happen, debts will cause, financial strain will cause, and so in legal wise also, emotional wise also, relation wise also, and financial wise also, in every aspect, problem gambling affect the people in a very negative way. So before it gets late, Please control your gambling, and so we are here to support, and we are free of service to support you here itself in Wairarapa region. We are the Salvation Army Oasis based in 41 Perry Street, Masterton. So please, if you have any problem, please as soon as possible contact us, and it's very easier to contact us, or you can contact me directly through 021 804 339. So if you have problem gambling, contact me through 021 804 339. And my name is Ramil, and I am public health worker for Salvation Army Oasis. Thank you. Before going ahead, let's put one nice song, and I'm putting good song this year. So let's put one nice song for you guys, and I'll be back with some more information, isn't it? Okay, let's put this song. Kia ora, talofa, ni hao, and namaste. You are back here with Ramil for a program called Te Whanau. So this is half an hour slot. Half an hour episode. So if you have problem gambling, just contact us. Contact the Salvation Army Oasis. So we are the only service that provides service to our community and people related to problem gambling, and it's free of service. In addition to that, I was thinking to go little bit more into sign and symptoms of the gambling, but we do not have enough time. This time I'll be back next Friday, and I'll go for sign and symptoms of the gambling. So just remember today three types of gambling that I was mentioning to you. One is compulsive gambling, one is binge gambling, and one is problem gambling. So problem gambling is people can't control, and binge gambling is people can control in daily basis, but when they go into the venue putting the money in the pokies, and they can't stop controlling, putting the money or gambling. So that is binge gambling, and another is compulsive gambling, which you have no control at all. So just remember these few things, and I'll be back next Friday. And till then, have a good weekend, and again, Happy New Year, have a good year 2021, and I'll be back with some more interesting information regarding gambling this year as well. So till then, take care, give time to your family, not for a gambling. Do not go to pokies, go for shopping, go for fishing, go for a tour, and take your kids with you. So please get rid of gambling as soon as possible before it's affect badly to you and your family. So have a good weekend. See you next Friday. Ciao.